I'm Ashley, the Pied Piper of used cars at Halton Honda, with another great pre-owned vehicle. And this week, we're kicking it old school with the 2013 Ford Taurus SEL. But there's no need to hide this report card because it definitely isn't your parents' Taurus. Ford went bullish on the Taurus in 2010 and then upped the ante with the 2013 mid-cycle revamp and pushed it from a boring rent-a-car to a muscular highway crusher. By allowing the 3.5-liter V6 engine to deliver horsepower of 288 and robust low-end torque while helping contribute to improved fuel economy.
On the outside, Ford took some design cues from the sporty Mustang by beefing up the hood lines for more an aggressive front end. 19-inch sparkle silver painted aluminum alloys, while in the rear, this Taurus enjoys Ford's reverse sensing system, alerting you of obstacles without taking your eyes off the road. Slipping into the cabin, you'll enjoy heated leather seats, power sunroof, and Ford's voice-activated in-vehicle connectivity system for ultimate control over your phone, navigation, show map,
showing map,
and climate controls, which also happen to be dual-zoned.
With lots of space to keep your passengers happy and an enormous trunk that will be filled with an extra set of winter tires. This is one old-school reunion you don't want to miss. Click the link below to book your test drive today.